But then again, there's something else that is also important which we need to elevate in the journey of expressing opinions in an audit. And this is what is referred to as a clean audit opinion in a number of places. Now, in the audit of financial statements, the Auditor-General looks at three components. The first component I dealt with at the beginning by saying, did you look after all the rands and cents in the way that you were required to? Did all the amounts that should have gone into the books go into those books as expected? And did you reflect all the balances that are sitting in your accounts correctly at the end of the period? And did you apply all the rules that are set out by National Treasury to arrive at the numbers that you have in your books? That's the first thing that we look at, which is the financial management and financial administration component. Then there's a second component. And if you remember from the beginning of my input, I spoke about the laws that govern the activity in government. Now we ask the question as auditors, in the process of keeping the books, did you also make sure that you observe the laws and regulations that apply to the administration of the finances that you are reporting on? So if you pass the test, then the auditors are happy that indeed you did everything in accordance with the prescribed laws and regulations. So you pass the second test. The third test is about the things that you said you will do as a department. For example, if it is the Department of Human Settlements, and they commit that in their plan they are going to build 150,000 houses, what is also required is for them to report specifically on the service delivery information. In this case, the number of houses and all relevant information pertaining to the delivery of those houses must be contained in their report. That is the third element. If a department passes all three of those tests, in our speak as the Auditor-General, they get what is called a clean opinion. Now, a clean opinion, because of the nature of an audit, does not mean that everything is absolutely and 100% accurate. All it means is we have come across information and we have been able to have access to all the information, and we are satisfied that anybody reading the accounts of this particular institution will not be misled, in the sense that we have satisfied ourselves and said financial management is accurate, the service delivery information has been correctly reported, the observance of the laws and regulations has been carried out as expected, and therefore those three components together, when a particular institution passes them, it gives them what we call a clean audit.